Deep within the cosmic mind, a golden light begins to shine. Heart and soul in perfect alignment.